Hey guys, today I'm drawing the first comic on the channel, starting off with the edge bits. Boo! Did I scare you? This is the first video of the Halloween edition, and things gonna get spooky. Now it's time for the coloring part. Lately, I've been learning perspective and color counts, so if you wanna learn that too from my YouTube tutorials, drop it in the comments. This is just the first page, so stay tuned for the next one. And here's the final result. Yo,